planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of June 1st to the 7th and using the Beach Bum kit from Planning Like a Pro. And I'm also really excited about this plan with me because this is a collab with Shany of Planning Like a Pro. So we are both going to be using this kit and I adore this kit so much. On this page we have our full boxes. I think this full box with the swimsuit is the cutest thing ever and it's my favorite box. I also really like this one, and maybe it's just because I'm a super huge dork and I just adore the fact that it has hello written in the sand, and maybe that's just me, but I love it. On this page we have a movie marquee, bill due, habit trackers, Monday through Sunday, and a full box checklist, as well as some headers and page flags. On this page, we've got half boxes, third boxes, label stickers, quarter boxes, and some arrows. Here we have the date covers, and these are kind of unique boxes because they're shorter than the width of a typical box. And so I think that is just so great because it just adds some variety in different box sizes, which I personally really enjoy. Then we also have some deco, the weekend banners, and your scalloped checklist. I love this bottom washi, and I gotta figure out what I'm going to do because I really want to use both strips, but I think it makes the most sense to just use one of them because I'm going to be doing this in my B6 planner, so I don't want to take up too much room at the bottom. But gosh, it is just really hard because I'm trying to decide if I want to use just the top strip or just the bottom strip because I love them both. We'll see what happens. There's also some really adorable deco that I'm so excited about and some great cut washi. So if you would like to see how this spread comes together, please just keep watching. If you are new to my channel, coming over from Shany's channel, hi, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you haven't seen Shany's video yet, I will make sure to have it linked in the description box so you can watch this video first and then head over to her channel and check out and see what she did with this kit, which I'm sure is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to watch myself. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I solved the dilemma of trying to decide which washi strip to use by deciding to use both. So for the larger strip, I took it and kind of folded it in half on one end and then marked with a pen to see where I needed to split it so that it would be cut perfectly in half. And then I am just placing down that floral washi strip, and then I'm going to add the bow washi strip right above it because I had initially put down just the bows by themselves and I was like, it's cute, but I really wanted that floral pattern down there as well. I just thought it looked so good. So once I've got both strips of the washi down, I'm going to move on to my date covers, and I'm using some date dots that I have in my collection from Tasseled Planner, and her shop is no longer open, but Shany does have some date dots like this where they have the numbers with the little bows on them. She had them in her last chance 30% off section, so they may be sold out by now, but if you have not checked out her sale section, I highly recommend. So putting down the date covers, going across the top of the page, then I'm going to add some headers. And these gold foiled headers are from Netty Designs, and I thought it was just like really a nice pop and complemented that shade of pink so well. I really wanted to bring in some foil to this spread, and gold foil felt like it worked with this spread and the colors in this kit really well. Now I'm placing it's like an olive green with gold foil bow from Sadie's Stickers and adding a June script from Rose Color Days to mark the month at the top of the page. And I am so glad that it's June because June is my birthday month and I'm really looking forward to summer. Spring's been kind of rough, and that's an understatement. I may be a little overly optimistic to hope that summer will be better, but here's hoping. So moving on to the day by day. On Monday, I'm starting by placing down one of the third boxes from the kit, and then I layered a hexagon from the kit with a little desk icon from the GP studio to mark that it was week 11 of working from home, which is insane. It's like almost 3 months of working at home. Then I put down a full box from the kit, added a bow header from Netty Designs, and then used a half box. I was finishing up a class and I had my last assignments for that class to turn in on Monday, which felt so good. It almost felt like I had been holding my breath and then like just had like a release, and it was just like, so great. Like, it was the best feeling as soon as I turned in that paper. I was just like, I'm free. I'm actually not completely free. I'm on like a 3-week break, and then I will start my very last class for school, and then I will be free. And anyways, up to the top of the column, I swapped out a divider. It was like really dainty and super adorable, but it felt like it wasn't having quite the visual punch that I wanted for that space. And so I swapped it out with that pen, I think she calls them like pen inked dividers from Honey Inked. And then on to Tuesday, I am using, this was the one, it was almost like the size of a third box, but kind of shorter in length. And so I turned it on its side, layered a mandala from the Pretty Pink Co., and then added that laptop, which was also from the Pretty Pink Co., and an Instagram to mark that Instagram on Tuesday was like a Blackout Tuesday in honor of Black Lives Matter. It was pretty incredible in the planner community to see so much support and such an outpouring of caring. It really touched my heart, and I thought it was amazing. And then I added one of those cute little like leaf wreath floral stickers, circle stickers. That's probably not what they're called, but it's from Planning Like a Pro, not part of the kit, but also from Planning Like a Pro. And then I layered the laptop icon from the kit to mark that we'd had to take like a work from home survey for work. And so I made sure to get that done and let them know how that was going for me. Then I finished off Tuesday by marking my bar workout, which I did on YouTube, and I used a little layering circle from the kit, and those ballet slippers are from Crafts by Towie. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm putting down a quarter box from Panda Bird Design, and I layer these little deco florals from the kit. So pretty. I love florals, and I love when kids have deco, period, but particularly when they're florals, because I just get inspired and really enjoy using florals as deco on my spreads. And then I'm going to take my craft knife, cut off where it hangs over the edge of the column, and then layer a Instagram icon from our box stickers on top of it, and just marking my midweek post, which I post on Instagram in the middle of the week every week. Underneath there, I'm adding the full box with that gorgeous swimsuit. I swear, I think my obsession with this is that I think I want that swimsuit, and maybe that's what this full box is trying to tell me, is that I need that swimsuit in my life. Underneath there, I used one of the label stickers from the kit, and the cell phone icon is from Crafts by Towie to mark FaceTime and my parents, which I try to do just to catch up with them, see how things are going. Added another one of those pen ink dividers from Honey Inked, and then a half box from the kit, and I used a little dishware icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that I'd washed dishes and cooked dinner. I've been trying to get caught up on Grey's Anatomy. I hadn't watched it for like several seasons, and so I'm now finally on season 15. And so I watched a couple of episodes of Grey's Anatomy on Wednesday, and I marked that with a layering hexagon from the Pretty Pink Co., and the little TV icon is from Artbox Stickers. Moving on to Thursday, I'm going to start by putting down the full box first, and I'm putting that at the bottom of the column. And I love that little girl sitting on the beach. Again, I don't know if maybe I'm being too optimistic to hope that maybe things will get better enough for us to get out of the whole stay-at-home order thing by summer and be able to enjoy some part of summer, but this kit makes me hopeful and optimistic, so I'm gonna run with it. I might be wrong, who knows. And then right above that, I put down a quarter box from the kit, and that cute little sports bra icon. Sports bra icons are becoming one of my favorite new icons to use to mark working out. I used it to mark working out. Then I put down the page flag from the kit, and I love that little page flag. It so made me think of my friend Lauren from ShawntePlans, because she really likes when page flags or boxes or things don't take up the full width of the column, and that one doesn't. And so typically, like, she'll cut down her flags so that they're that width, and this one already came cut to that width, so it was awesome. Anyways, I used it to mark editing that day, and that tripod icon is from Artbox Stickers, as well as the edit script. Then I added that little box. I keep calling them little fancy boxes, although I'm, again, not sure that that's not the name. But I got it from Sweet Bella XO, and I layered the little grocery icon from Crafts by Towie's on top of that, because we ordered some groceries to have food in the house. And then marking work the same way at the top of Thursday, the same way I did as on Monday. Just wanted to check some important emails that I needed to make sure to respond to for work. And then on to Friday, in which I will work from top to bottom instead of bottom to the top. That was a very interesting way of marking Thursday, but it was cool. It worked out, and it was because I was concerned about my spacing and I wanted to make sure everything would fit, and so it worked out really well. But anyways, on to Friday, I started with a half box, layered a work script from Netty Designs, and I needed to reply to some requests that I had gotten. And then I also was really excited because I wanted to use some more of the deco from the kit. So I layered this little flower and those cute flip-flops or sandals. I'm going to take another divider and then put down another label sticker. I needed to call one of my coworkers. I had a question of some things I wanted to go over with her, and so I made a note to give her a call after work, which I totally forgot to do. And it was so funny because I had meant to call her on Wednesday, I meant to call her Thursday, and then I marked it on my planner on Friday because I was like, no, you're going to remember. Totally forgot. Moving to the bottom of the column, I'm going to take a washi strip and place it down, and then use a personal care icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark my nighttime skincare routine. I got some new acne face wash from Neutrogena, which I've really been loving. It's their Rapid Clear collection and has been doing amazing things for my skin. So I've been getting a lot of hormonal breakouts in my chin area, and I really want the breakouts to stop and for the blemishes to clear up. So far so good. On to Saturday, I put down another one of those circle icons from Planning Like a Pro and layered that cute little swimsuit icon on top of it, which I used to mark that this collab that you're currently watching is going live. And that swimsuit has nothing to do with filming or editing or YouTube at all. It's just my favorite little deco piece from the kit, so I had to use it because it was adorable and it made me super happy. And I think it looks adorable there, right? Okay, we all agree. Then I put down a bow header from Netty Designs and a third box from the kit. I'm layering a little planner cart icon from the GP studio on top of there. I am planning to film a updated planner cart tour, so I've been working on reorganizing my stickers. So hopefully I'll have that up soon for you guys. And then moving back to Friday, I'd put down a quarter box from Panda Bird Design and layered a little circle, and that flat iron icon is from Crafts by Towie. I wanted to straighten my hair, and so I just marked that on Friday. Then on to Sunday, I placed down a label sticker and then the movie marquee, both from the kit. The little dishware icon is again from the Pretty Pink Co. I feel like all I do lately is wash dishes because the kitchen just gets so much use with working from home. And so there's always dishes to wash. The kitchen always needs to be clean. We're always cooking something in there. So definitely need to clean up the kitchen. And then I wanted to watch that movie Charlie's Angels, just because it had been such a very heavy and emotional week, and I wanted something really light and fun just to end the weekend and kind of just make myself feel better. So I hope everyone is doing what they need for their own personal care and mental health, and I hope you guys are all staying safe, having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Shany's video. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go watch it myself. Thanks for watching. Bye.